Welcome to Tillamook. This small town may smell like cow shit, but it has quickly become one of our most favorite places along the Oregon coast. It's brimming with charm, good food, incredible nature, and is super RV friendly. You travel by RV, Blue Heron French Cheese Company is an absolute must when you come to Tillamook. They have spots for up to 50 RVs and generously allow you to stay for up to 5 days. They have wine and cheese tastings.
Salute. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that one.
An incredible farm shop filled with local goodies, a candy shop, tons of outdoor games,
And animals!
Plus, it's right in the middle of town, surrounded by all the amenities and close to all the best local attractions, like the Air Museum.
Behind me is the Tillamook Air Museum, which is really cool because it is one of the most unique structures in the world of its type. It is this giant wooden hangar that used to house a blimp that the U.S. Coast Guard Air Force used during World War II to patrol the coast of Oregon for any enemy aircraft, enemy activity, and the structure still remains. The blimp I don't think does, but inside the museum is a whole host of airplanes and really cool things, and it is a super cool structure, so we're excited to see it.
Airplane pilot friends. Is this what cockpits still look like? Because it makes me a bit nervous. This is so cool.
The plane that you're seeing here is called the Mini Guppy. It was made in the 60s and converted to carry large, oversized cargo. It could carry up to 32,000 pounds while it was flying in the air, and it even carried such items as NASA's Pioneer 10 spacecraft, and the Pioneer 10 completed the first mission to explore Jupiter.
After visiting the Air Museum, we realized it was Saturday, which means one thing: the local farmers market. This is one of our most favorite ways to get to know a place. In typical Pacific Northwest fashion, the weekend brought cloudy skies, but that didn't stop us from exploring a few incredible beaches.
All right, crew, we tried to go to Cannon Beach. We really did, because I feel like when you come to the Oregon coast, you're supposed to go to Cannon Beach. But there were just too many people. There were just too many people. And so now we're at Arcadia Beach. Let's go check it out. Cruzy, what do you think, bud? What do you think?
This was Cruz's first time seeing the ocean, and he absolutely loved it. There was a healthy blend of zoomies and just sitting around and taking it all in. And of course, no trip to Tillamook is complete without visiting the Tillamook headquarters. Did you know that Tillamook is actually a co-op ran by a collective of just over 90 dairy farming families? Now that's a business model we can get behind. This one facility receives around 1.6 million pounds of milk per day, and most of the milk arrives at this facility within just 1 hour of leaving the farm. Which may be why the town has such a cow aroma. Once it arrives, the milk is then turned into all of the best things in life: cheese, ice cream, and yogurt.
I feel like I'm in an episode of How It's Made.
At the creamery, we would absolutely recommend grabbing what you need for a charcuterie board, and then heading to a place on the beach to catch a sunset, like Cape Mears. The views along the Oregon coast are wild, rugged, and oftentimes dizzying. I don't know that we will ever get over the way the trees here cling to these plunging cliffs. It is impossible to witness these places and not feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude.
If you enjoyed this video, please mash that like button below, as it helps support us more than you know. And be sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there as well, because we have some pretty exciting adventures coming up that you won't want to miss. Join us next week as we leave town and head out into the woods for a week of solitude amongst the towering trees.